Hello guys! Today I will show you a secret classified information. How to catch Koyuki. First and foremost, only bring Yuuka and Noa at your party. They can be at any level, as long as they are the only ones at your party. Then we fly to go to the safari zone. Enter the safari zone and pay the entry fee, as we all should be. Now, the other important part is to precisely have $998,999 in your pocket, which is only possible if you avoid paying taxes. Anyways, from the entrance we do 2 steps up. 1, 2, then left by 8 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Spin around in this spot until she shows up. Because we have a lot of money, Koyuki will happily appear to us to ask for gotcha funds. Now let's talk about what not to do. Never, ever throw rocks at Koyuki. The poor girl will get angry if you do so. You're free to be extra rude, but she might even just straight up run away again. But it's okay. You can spin around in the same spot until she reappears. This time, we can try to entice Koyuki with throwing a bait to higher the chance of capture. Koyuki likes free food. Look at her eat. So cute. It's time to throw our balls at her. Oh baby, a crit capture.